Hello everyone. Welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture, I am going to explain one another question from my JEE mains. The chapter is Matrix and of the year 2019. So first go through the question. Very simple question is there. The question: a matrix is given, cos theta is of order 2 by 2, cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Then you have to find a value of actually the matrix a to the power minus 50, where the angle theta is given pi by 12. 4 different options are given. Out of the 4 options, you have to select the correct one. So initially, if you observe carefully, then you will think that the difficulty level of the question is little bit harder. Then what you will do, first think how can we proceed. So from the given term that you have to find it out, a to the power minus 50 can be written as a to the power minus 1. That means a inverse whole to the power 50. I think we can easily find out the value of a inverse very easily of a 2 by 2 matrix. So that's why we will proceed in this way. First of all, we will try to find out the inverse. Then we will try to find out the value of a inverse whole to the power 50. So how can we find out the inverse? Very simple procedure is there. We know that if the product of two matrix is equal to an identity matrix, then one of them is known as the inverse of the other. যেতিয়া দুটা মেট্ৰিক্সৰ প্ৰডাক্টটো এটা আইডেন্টিটি মেট্ৰিক্স হয়, তেতিয়া হলে এটা মেট্ৰিক্সক আনটো মেট্ৰিক্সৰ ইনভাৰ্স বুলি জনা যায়. Then what you will do? As A is given, so we'll try to find out the transpose of the given matrix. This is nothing but cos theta minus sin theta and then sin theta into cos theta. I think you have got my point. Now try to multiply A transpose. That means you have to multiply cos theta minus sin theta, then sin theta, it will be cos theta. You have to multiply with cos theta sin theta minus sin theta, then cos theta. Okay, after having the multiplication, just go through the question please. After having the multiplication, you will get this is nothing but the identity matrix 1 0 0 1, which is equal to what? Identity matrix. That means what we have got, the multiplication of the matrix A and its transpose is equal to the identity matrix. Already I have told that if the product of two matrix is equal to the identity matrix, then one of them is known as the inverse of the other. That means here what we have got, A transpose is equal to identity. That means A transpose is the inverse of A as well as A is the inverse of A transpose. Then what is the value of A inverse? A inverse is nothing but A transpose. That means A transpose is nothing but the inverse of the matrix A. That's why we can easily write it down. A inverse is equal to A transpose. That means A transpose means cos theta into sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So obviously one specific formula is there, a to the power minus n. That means A inverse whole to the power n is nothing but cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta. One specific formula is there, and cos n theta. This is the expression. Whatever may be the power, a to the power minus 1 whole to the power 5, then it will be 5 theta, 5 theta, 5 theta, 5 theta like that. Now what will you find it out? You have to find the value of a to the power minus 50. A to the power minus 50 is equal to what then? A to the power minus 50 is equal to a to the power minus 50. That means A inverse whole to the power minus 50 is equal to cos 50 theta sin 50 theta minus sin 50 theta. Okay, then cos 50 theta. Okay, for now it is the value of theta is given for pi by 12, then it will be cos 50 into pi by 12 sin 50 into pi by 12 minus sin 50 into pi by 12, it will be cos 50 into pi by 12. Now try to simplify. You will get that this is nothing but cos pi by 3 sin pi by 3. Oh sorry, pi by 6 it will be cos pi by 6 sin pi by 6 minus sin pi by 6 then cos pi by 6. Then obviously what are the values? Cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 half minus half, it will be root 3 by 2. Which option is correct? Then obviously we can easily identify that this option is correct. Option C is correct. So very simple question. Just go through to go through the steps only. How can you proceed to find out the answer from the given term a to the power minus 50? We can easily think about it. A inverse whole to the power minus 50. A inverse whole to the power 50. How can you find out the inverse? After finding that A transpose. Here we have got that A into A transpose equal to identity. So A transpose is the inverse of the matrix A. And in this way, we can easily find out the value of A to the power minus 50 at theta is equal to pi by 12. So I hope you have got my point. Just go through the topic once again. Very simple questions from matrix chapter you will get in your JEE mains exam. Just khali olop sahohor proyojon. Olopan sahoh gutai tomalke question to proceed koriba. Thank you so much for watching the video.